Let's make sense of business. TVS Motor Company has launched an assembly for making motorcycles locally that is expected to create over 1,300 direct jobs as well as offer training for mechanics in Kenya. The assembly plant has the capacity to make 700 units daily. The local assembly will initially make TVS Apache RTR 180 model, then expand to other models. TVS Motor Company will use Kenya as a launchpad into the larger Eastern African market. TVS Apache is used by over 6.5 million riders in 60 countries.
Capacity a day is 700 a day, 700 units a day, which is significant enough for the Kenyan market right now. And the more we can localize production, the more we'll be able to export outside Kenya. So we have trained over 7,500 mechanics in every street, every town in Kenya. So that's the base employment. Then when you look at our manufacturing, there's probably another 1,200, 1,300 people. So if you look at the industry as a whole, it's a massive employer, right? We really employ a lot of people, create a lot of jobs, feed a lot of people.
Now we are opening new chapter. We are going also to bring more mobility solutions to in terms of individual mobility, and that segment which will be more for desire, for lifestyle, and that's the area we are now starting to invest and to propose to this new segment and new customers in Kenya.